So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can plan your Redbubble designs effectively so you can be prepared for holidays. You can implement things you like to actually get some sales. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. Anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future content. We've helped a lot of people to actually make their first online sales. And if you're looking to learn a little more about that and to make some sales for yourself, down in the description, I actually have a free print-on-demand start guide that features a lot of the information I used at the start. If you're the kind of person that's looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I do also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. So make sure to check that out if you're interested. Now, as for today, like I said, we'll be talking about how to plan your Redbubble designs. Jumping straight into it, we're starting off by talking about holidays. Now, a lot of people don't understand that there's a lot of holidays that you can prepare for in advance that will allow you to make sales. But when it comes to preparing for these holidays, you need to make sure that you're ready months in advance. And I feel like this is an important topic, not just for people on Redbubble, but for people that are using print-on-demand sites in general. Now, the screenshot I just showed you, only the holidays in December was highlighted, but I actually found a page here where Printful posted a lot of holiday based information showing you guys holidays that you can prep for. I mean, you can go on this. I'll put a link down in the description so you guys can check this out as well. And as you can see there's holidays going from January. They cover a few holidays and they've actually wrote something pretty much about each month. So you can go on this, obviously scroll through the months and look to see what's there. Or if you want to make things easier for yourself, you can come here, put your email in and literally download the holiday calendar. Now, I don't have any affiliation with them at all. I'm just giving you guys some useful information to help you plan better. And if you're someone who's wondering what the holiday calendar looks like, I actually downloaded it myself. So I'll quickly show you now if you want to have a quick overview. And as you can see, they've covered pretty much every holiday they could think of in regards of e-commerce. And just looking through, I can see in January, obviously you have the normal things like New Year's Day. I mean, Australia Day is something I wasn't too aware of. Well, I'm not from Australia, but let's say if you was making designs on Redbubble or any other print on demand site, you can make designs ready for Australia Day, maybe in October or November, just to make sure you're ahead of the competition. February, we have Valentine's Day. I mean, most people know about Valentine's Day, but if you're looking to try kind of think outside the box, there's also the Chinese New Year you can focus on. I would say Super Bowl, but a lot of Super Bowl based designs end up falling under trademark, so you have to be careful there. March, the obvious one there is St. Patrick's Day, but you also have Mother's Day, and a dark horse in March is International Women's Day. I myself have designs that have gone under the International Women's Day niche that have sold like crazy, so that's one to look out for. April, I mean, April Fool's Day is not a day that people would really buy things for, but you have Easter Sunday, people would most likely buy things for that. Earth Day, I feel like there's some individuals out there that will buy things for that. May, I mean, you got Cinco de Mayo, which is one of the big ones. Mother's Day again, but in the US, which is also a big one. Looking in June, obviously I'm seeing things like Father's Day. A lot of people tend to make designs for Father's Day. I didn't even know that International Yoga Day was a thing. July, we have Independence Day in the US, 4th of July, if I'm right in saying. This year, there was the Summer Olympics, which obviously is not something that happens every year. I'm seeing National Book Lovers Day. Maybe people would buy things for that. I'm not too sure. There's also World Photography Day. I know within the photography niche, I've had designs that have sold, so that could be something. September, we've got Father's Day somewhere else. I think it's in Australia there. October, obviously Halloween is the main one that people will make designs for. November, we have Diwali, Veterans Day. Thanksgiving is the big one for the guys in the US, and Black Friday is where a lot of things will most likely get bought due to sales that will be on Redbubble, as well as other print-on-demand sites such as Merch by Amazon. And finally, in December, the big one is Christmas. I mean, a lot of people will be buying gifts on the build-up to that, so you just need to be making sure that you're getting designs ready for it. I mean, at this point, I don't even know if you'd have to download the calendar, because I pretty much told you the main holidays from each month. But if you want to download it to just have it there as something that helps you to plan a lot better, a lot easier, make sure to get it downloaded and make sure to get on top of these holidays so you're already months before. And when planning your designs, you don't just have to refer to holidays. You can also implement some of your favorite hobbies, some of the things that you like. In this example here, there's a woman that's playing a guitar, implementing, obviously, she likes playing a guitar. Now, if she was to come on Redbubble to try to sell designs, obviously, her best bet will be to type guitar, and then she'll need to look to see if anything is trending underneath that. In this instance, we have, I like my guitar dogs. The keywords doesn't make that much sense if you ask me. I mean, I like my guitar dogs. Didn't know that was a thing, but there's only 301 results under this niche. So if this was someone who's new to Redbubble, who likes guitars, this is what I would advise them to do to implement their hobbies into their designs, only because it just makes the whole process a lot more fun. And I don't know if you've ever heard of this saying, guys, if you want to reach your goals, if you want to get to certain places, sometimes you need to make sure that you enjoy the process. And I feel like implementing your hobbies is a good way of doing this. Now, the final thing that I would say you need to implement into your plans is trends and evergreen designs. Now, obviously, you can prep for holidays, you prep for hobbies, and with hobbies, you can even link it to this. Finding a mixture between trends and evergreen designs is very good to put on your plan, mainly because it will pretty much allow you to cover all angles. Obviously, some trends do die down, but the aim of this is to find trends that could potentially be evergreen niches. Just to show you guys an example, for us to jump onto Redbubble and search dog, there's a few things that are trending, but there's dogs, books, and coffee that's trending. This is something personally I feel that could be an evergreen design. Obviously, there's a lot of competition there, so I wouldn't suggest for you guys to jump into this. But if you was catching this as a trend with low results, I would recommend you guys to be creating designs for things like this. After the trend dies down, things like this will most likely continue to get sales because people are very interested in dogs, books, and coffee individually. So together, it's a really good evergreen niche. So yeah, the main things you kind of need to bear in mind when you're planning your designs is holidays, your hobbies, trends, and mixing it up with evergreen designs. It's important to kind of spread your workload between those things so you can cover all angles. That way, moving forward, you can make sure that you're putting yourself in the best position to get sales, not just in the short term, in the long term as well. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Down in the comment section, comment down holiday calendar, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Thank you for watching, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.